Good morning. In today's session, we will begin the chapter 4. This is human development. Human development is a concept introduced by UNDP, United Nations Development Program, in 1990s. Before to go ahead, we should understand the difference of growth and development because growth and development refers to the changes over a period of time. The basic difference between growth and development, growth is quantitative and value neutral. Developments are qualitative and changes are always positive. See here in growth, these are neutral, can be positive and negative, but development are such changes which are positive only. For example, the population of your city can be positive or negative. If the population of your city increases from 1 lakh to 1 lakh 20,000, it's a positive growth of your city population. But because of some reason the 1 lakh population reduce up to 90,000 or 95,000, so this is negative growth of population. But development in your city takes place when facilities like housing, education or infrastructure improves. Otherwise, if these areas do not improve, so development won't take place. When it's come to the concept of human development, the concept of human development grow out of the global discussion on the link between economic growth and development during the second half of 20th century, means after 1950. This was the second half. By 1960 or before that, economic growth emerged as a both leading objective and indicator of national progress in many countries. Means most of the country for development they used to measure the economic growth only. And for many of the country, level of economic development was the real development. Means before that the economic development means development of the GDP or the income of a country was the main criteria for development. In many countries, economic growth was the objective and indicator of national progress. Even though GDP means gross domestic product, was never intended to be used as measure of well-being or much changes in the lives of most of the people. It means for the national progress, economic growth was the main objective. And for a country, people's well-being and lives of the people was not a criteria. But in 1970s and 1980s, debate on development focus means a new debate and discussion, a time, the era when the debate and discussion occur and they focused on to go beyond the GDP. Means after 1970 and 1980s, instead of economic growth, other areas were focused, including more focus on employment, basic needs, quality of life, and opportunities. With economic growth, when these ideas come, these ideas help pave the way for the human development approach. Means now instead of economic development, now human development was adopted, which is about human development is about expanding the richness of human lives rather than the richness of the economy in which human lives. And the idea that quality of life people enjoy in a country, the opportunity they have and freedom they enjoy are the important aspect of development. The approach of human development focused on creating fair opportunities and choices for all the people. Means this approach focus over the creating new opportunities for the people, and people should have more choices. These ideas clearly spelled out for the first time in late 90s and 80s when two South Asian economists, Mehboob-ul Haq of Pakistan, Amartya Sen of India, first time they introduced the concept of human development. Mehboob-ul Haq was the first time concept of human development introduced by this person. He was a Pakistani economist and Nobel Prize winner in the field of economics. He was considered as a man of vision and compassion. This Pakistani economist created the Human Development Index in 1990s. HDI was introduced in 1990s. According to him, development is all about enlarging people's choice in order to lead long, healthy lives and dignity. United Nations Development Program has used the concept of human development introduced by Mehboob-ul Haq to publish Human Development Report in 1990s, and since then every year UNDP introduces Human Development Report, and according to her, human development is that development that enlarges people's choices and improve their lives. In the approach of Haq, Mehboob-ul Haq, economic development was not the priority. Priority wise was enlarging the people's choice and improve the condition of their lives. People are the central to all development. According to Mehboob-ul Haq, peoples are the central to all development. And basic goal of development is to create a condition where people can have meaningful lives. Meaningful lives, according to Haq, means not a long life. Means it should not be long life like 80 or 90 years. This life should be with purpose and dignity, respect. Life where people can develop their talent, participate in society, and be free to achieve their goals. This was the approach introduced by Mehboob-ul Haq, and according to Amartya Sen, he was an economics of India and was the friend of Pakistani economist Mehboob-ul Haq. Both of these economists introduced the idea of human development and introduced HDI index. According to Amartya Sen, main objective of development is to increase in freedom. Means development leading a long and healthy life. And key areas of human development according to these two: first, access to resources, means people should have that much of income they can avail all the opportunities available in the country. Health, there should be good health, and this depend on the life expectancy. And education, building capabilities in the areas of health, education and access to resources is therefore important in enlarging their choices. This was the concept of Mehboob-ul Haq, and according to these two, important in enlarging their choices. If people do not have the capability in these areas, their choices also gets limited. For example, an educated child cannot make the choices to be a doctor because her choices got limited by lack of education. Similarly, very often people cannot choose to take medical treatment for diseases because they are poor. Their choices are limited by the lack of resources. And both of these economists, Mehboob-ul Haq and Amartya Sen, introduced this idea of human development because before the idea of human development, World Bank used to measure the development of any country, and the World Bank used to measure economic development. Only the focus of World Bank was money. Thank you.